it's Charla, and on this week's episode of Corn Fed powered by 40 Creek Whisky, I take you out to the Ranch Texas Music Series, which goes on every Wednesday throughout the summer, and it's completely free to all of our ranch listeners. Tonight, I get to take the stage with Walt Wilkins. It's going to be an amazing time. Let's go! Every Wednesday night throughout the summer, the ranch has its Ranch Texas Music Series, and it's completely free, so come on out to the Capitol Bar in Fort Worth. It features the best red dirt and Texas artists, and the 40 Creek Whisky is always flowing. This week, I got to open for Walt Wilkins. I also do my Off the Wall segment with the ranch, where I get to interview the Ranch Texas Music Series artists. We take off the wall questions off of our ranch wall, and I get to chat with them, and it's so fun kind of getting a behind the scenes look. We don't talk about music or shows, we only get down and dirty with, with off the wall kind of questions. So this week, I got to chat with Walt Wilkins. Then I took the stage with my band and we did a quick sound check, and then we had so much fun opening the night. I passed out koozies, I got the 40 Creek Whisky girls up there and they passed out 40 Creek t-shirts, and everybody had their 40 licks in hand, which is 40 Creek Whisky and cranberry juice. If you haven't had that, ladies, it's delicious. Then we finished out my show with a bang and it was time for Walt Wilkins. And the place was packed, 40 Creek was flowing. We had so much fun, and the Capitol Bar is such a neat venue. So we'll see you every Wednesday night at the free Ranch Texas Music Series. Well, thanks for coming along with me to the Ranch Texas Music Series. It was so amazing to get to take the same stage as Walt Wilkins. Coming up next week on Corn Fed powered by 40 Creek Whisky, you'll get to meet my husband, Brian Barrett, and this is the third year that he's hosting North Texas' Strongest Man. So love y'all, and 40 cheers. We'll see y'all next week.